What's up, guys? It's been a minute trying to get back into this YouTube thing. Now I'm painting my 240, all the kit parts and everything. There's my 240 all quarantined under there. As you guys remember, I had another black 240. It's not that one. This is a totally different one. But yeah, it's a turbo KA, just stock, running like 7 pounds of boost. Super fun car. Yeah, looks ugly right now because I'm in the process of painting it. As you can see, I just laid the first coat of clear on everything. I really messed up these over fenders. I had sprayed them without mixing the clear coat. I was rushing and I literally just sprayed like straight hardener on them, and like it fucking, if you look closely you could see like front bumper's looking pretty good. It's coming out pretty good. We'll see how when I put the second and third coat on, but yeah, here's the 240 all quarantined, wrapped up. Just sprayed the last coat of clear on this stuff. Getting shiny. I love the way the front bumper came out. Those are definitely going to be my spare over fenders, but yeah. Hey, there's the 350Z. Alright guys, so we're trying to get ready for the Klutch Kickers event. As you see, the motor's pulled in the 240. Because we're trying to get it ready for the Klutch Kickers event on the 15th, the fun day event. And I needed a new flywheel and clutch. So we're deleting all this wiring because it was just a mess. Yeah, a lot of pointless stuff and a lot of jank stuff that we needed to get out of there. So here's a closer look at this disgusting engine bay. Hopefully by the end of this video, you guys see this thing completely transformed. That's the goal. Got Chad over there helping. But, yeah, it's like 3 in the morning. Got to fix some things on this. Maybe paint the valve cover before the event. Yeah, but all this paint in here, it was painted before this bay. This engine bay was horrible. Just going to try to clean it up. It's not, like, maybe clean that cut up and everything. And looks ugly right now, but this bitch is going to be looking clean. You can see blue parts in the background, so. Alright, so it's the next day. Not the same shirt, another shirt. We left at like 4 in the morning last night. Just pulled the dash out. Chad's on his way. I got a bunch of wiring stuff. Yeah, the car is completely taken apart right now. It's crazy to think that this thing has to be running at the end of the week. What we're working with. I had to untape this window because I'm not done painting the outside of the car yet. I'm gonna do tomorrow. So yeah, took the dash out. This bar is already painted, which is nice. It's normally not painted, but yeah, it looks good. I mean, it doesn't look good, it looks good, but we're gonna make it look good. Doesn't look good, it looks good, but we're gonna make it look good. Yeah, sounds right. Somebody before me had deleted all the AC stuff, so it's kind of nice. I don't got all those boxes back there. Can I make that clean? Right there, nice carpet. It was new carpet when I got the car, but yeah, we're gonna clean all this up, make it nice. The fuse boxes are gonna be behind the dash now, and I'm gonna mount the ECU all nice. All the wires will be away from the front of the car. Everything's gonna be under the dash except for a few. While Chad's gonna do most of the wiring in there. He's gonna do the splicing and everything, and because he has to extend almost every wire, I'm gonna be working on getting this bay ready to be painted, and that way there tomorrow I can degrease the whole bay and start sanding it down and hopefully get paint on it tomorrow. So it's next day. I'm at the shop. I painted the valve cover. I like put primer on it last night and it didn't. I didn't have this paint remover, so I just sprayed this paint remover on the one coat of primer that I did to help me remove it completely down to bare metal a little better. And kind of letting that sit and eat away at it. And then I'm gonna paint the valve cover probably in between one of the coats over there. But yeah. So just finished degreasing the engine bay. It's starting to dry, as you can see. You can already tell I did like 3 things of Purple Power. Feels so nice and clean. No more grease. All that. You can actually see the rack is silver now. Yeah, I need to do a new rack bushing. I can see mine's like fucking popping out, but I don't think I'm gonna have enough time before this event to do the subframe stuff. So maybe the next event I'll do that. But yeah, I think I might just send it on this stuff for now. Make sure everything's tight. Yeah, it's looking so much better. It's starting to dry and all that grease. Like you can see how, once the grease got cleaned off, you can see how bad the paint is really chipped just everywhere. It looks freaking horrible. Also, in between Purple Power stuff over there, I was redoing my job on this. This aircraft paint remover is no joke. This is stuff I use for that. Watch Chris Fix's video and just, I should have did this from the get-go, but I was trying to rush and I sanded it down yesterday and I didn't have this stuff. And it was taking forever to sand down and it didn't come out. You're supposed to go down to bare metal. It didn't get it down to bare metal and everything, so you can see it working. But yeah, and then you just take a wire brush to it and the paint comes right off. So I sanded down most of the bay. The main parts I really focused on was right here, back there. So the spots that you're gonna see, I gotta sand down this a little better though. I was just working on, look at that. That's how you're supposed to do it. All bare metal, shiny bare metal. Got everywhere, all in the crevices. Looks so good. Now I'm gonna go run to Home Depot, let this dry, let that dry a little more, finish sanding that, and then do a nice little, another fucking nice little once over wet sand of 800 on this car, just gonna wipe out prep and then start shooting. Alright, for the YouTube people, see like without the flash, I'll show you a clip without the flash, but look at that, look at those sparkles. This thing, it's nowhere near like fucking professional, because like they would have did all that shit and like not sprayed in a booth, but I only painted a few other cars and I've been painting this stuff. I honestly want to repaint some of this stuff. I'm pretty damn happy with this. All right guys, let me get out of here. You'll see her in the next clip. So like I said, transformation on my 240, a few days. It's gonna be sweet to watch this video because by the end of this video, this thing will be put back together with the nice wheels on it, bay painted, engine running, ready to go to the event. So much work. Oh yeah, painted the valve cover. I think I showed you guys. I gotta do the letters white, but this thing looks so good. All right guys, peace for today. Last work. Hit up Eric Loomis, Grid Garage. This whole corner was completely broken off. These fenders look so freaking good now. So sweet, man. So sweet. Hey guys, almost forgot to record. So, base painted. I just finished the last coat of clear. I didn't go in super detail and sanding. I kind of got it smooth with a 600 and then went over it with an 800, but that's why you can still see those little specks from where the paint was chipped here and there, but it's an engine bay. It looks 10 times better than it did. I painted a little bit right here in case the fenders are ever off or they're not aligned all the way. You're not just seeing like this bare color right here. But yeah, look at that. all nice and smooth. Like I said, all those specs are because I didn't really care about going into sanding, but I think, look at that, that's nice and smooth. Over here as well. Still wet. Love the way it came out, nice and shiny. Nice and shiny engine bay when you open it up. On, and I resprayed the eyelids because the eyelids, now they came out like a mirror. They were looking like truck bed liner, and I had a little bit extra paint, so I resprayed them. All right, guys, I'm done for the night here. I accomplished what I wanted to accomplish, which was paint this bay today. We're getting close. Klutch Kickers is tomorrow's Friday. Klutch Kickers is literally not this weekend, next weekend. Quick little update. Driving home right now from the shop. Sunday, it's about midnight. Klutch Kickers is in less than a week now. And we put the motor back in the 240, try to plug everything up. The clutch and flywheels still haven't came yet. It's about, tomorrow will make it a week late from when it was guaranteed to be shipped. They're saying it's gonna be here on Tuesday, what the tracking's saying. So we dropped the motor in. When we plugged everything in, tried to start it, and it won't start. And it's, I think because we cut plugs that we weren't supposed to cut. Some 2 main plugs, but we think we know what the issue is, and we're kind of finding wires. So yeah, kind of scary, kind of sucks, but I know we'll get it figured out. But all right, go. Oh yeah, dude, and she's back. Those vacuum leaks got fixed. All right, we got the motor in. Look at that. Look at that bay. We got it started because of this buddy. Like I said in that last clip, we didn't know if we were gonna, we couldn't get it started that night, but we did end up getting it started. I didn't record at all last night because we were just worried about getting it started, and we did. We were tired and left. Now we have the motor in, and time to just throw this trans in. Clutch and flywheel came late. That's why we didn't put it on with the motor, dropping the motor in. So we got to do it the hard way. We're going to throw it up real quick and then put some intercooler piping on in the intercooler and then take it for a test drive before me and Chad clean up all the wiring in there, because he wants to take it for a test drive before we do all the wiring shit. Probably looks a lot different since the last time you seen him. Buddy looked like a kid last time he was on this channel.
Shut the fuck up.
Oh no, maybe not, because the 5.0 stuff, 5.0 240 stuff. Buddy, all right, so we got the trans in. Look at how sweet that looks. We got the trans in. We're gonna go test drive it. It's about 2 in the morning. I gotta clean up the radiator a little bit and figure out a better way to mount this. But just having everything tucked away. We don't even have everything tucked away yet. Like, this is headlight wiring. This is all gonna be gone tomorrow. But yeah, just having it's so much cleaner. So yeah, we're gonna go take it. We're gonna take it off the jacks, take it for a test drive, and see how this goes with these freaking tires on the front. So here we go. Alright guys, so I know this is a jump from the last clip, but it is now the next day. It's like 2 o'clock, and yeah, she's pretty much put back together, running, catch can, everything. It was idling last night, now it's not wanting to idle. We gotta figure that out, but yeah. Chad stayed here all night. We still haven't slept.
Flywheel starting.
This thing is running solely due to this man. Literally wouldn't have been possible without him. We still got to put the dash in, but we're cleaning the shop and everything, and we're going to throw the dash in last and then load it on the trailer. We're running behind, but engine bay's still going to change. This is how it's going to look for this event, though. And the fucking paint. Paint back there still needs to be redone, but fucking amazing. This thing looks fucking sweet in the sun. And I need to put the 1-inch spacers on the back because that tuck looking poopy. But yeah, any words?
I need sleep.
Yes, we do need to sleep, but we ain't got time for sleep. We're gonna unhook this trailer, take that dookie car off that trailer, and we're gonna load up the 240 and drive 6 hours.
6.5.
6.5 hours one way. And then we're probably gonna get there at like 9 or 10 o'clock, and
we still need to align it, and we still need to do the battery box.
Yeah, we're gonna do that at the
And we need
hotel.
to figure out why the fuck it's not idling.
Yeah, we're gonna do that mainly probably at the hotel.
Do we have rope here?
Rope.
Yeah, so I can tie myself up and hang myself.
Look at how clean that shit looking. Look at the stylus, and that shit dirty too. That shit looking ugly, but she just looking like a blue beauty. I can't wait to see this thing next to the ST, both clean. They're gonna look sick.
ST's
Next
on its
month.
second motor.
Next month, Exo Yada is coming out.
Gotta get that shit ready.
You guys seen this car go from complete trash to this in the matter of minutes, and there was a lot of work. Really? Because dude,
I was sitting in that fucking passenger seat for 8 straight hours.
they seen the degreasing when I sprayed it, when I sprayed the fenders in the fucking trailer. You guys seen quite a bit of work, and that was all in the past 2 weeks. We've been here every night after work, especially this boy, and he works full time, and then he's still helping me out. We've been here every night after work. Fucking God, I shouldn't be talking right now. We gotta keep getting ready.
Yeah.
All right, see you guys.